What if your processes aren't actually working the way you think they are? To figure this out, you need the right perspective, because everything you need is in your data. This is process mining and data mining in action, turning event data into a clear view of how operations really work. In this demo, we analyze the full purchase-to-pay cycle in SAP, from purchase order creation to final payment approval. It starts with a general overview of the operation. More than 990,000 recorded events, 15 activities, and 5,381 process variants. This shows the gap between how the purchase-to-pay process is expected to work and how it actually happens in practice. The platform turns the overview into clear business metrics. Payment processing takes nearly 78 days, while purchase order approval takes less than 2 days. It also shows over $1.31 billion in invoices, helping identify where risk, effort, and financial impact are concentrated. Here we can see cancelled goods receipts, active vendors, and invoice types, including full invoices, credit notes, and split documents. This helps identify inconsistencies, duplications, or control weaknesses before they become bigger issues. The process graph shows the real path each transaction follows, based on system data. Users can select a variant and see each step, including the time between activities. This makes it easier to understand the happy path and conformance of the process. The platform also lets users compare process variants side by side, for example, contrasting one variant's flow and duration against another, filtered by document type, invoice size, user, or vendor, to spot exactly where one path diverges from the rest. The timing overview shows the median duration between every pair of process steps, along with how cases are distributed across duration ranges, making it easy to spot where delays are concentrated across the full case population. The platform lets users drill down into one case, showing dates, duration, invoice value, vendor, document type, and activities. This helps identify exactly what happened and where time was consumed. The timing drill down provides a deeper view of duration, showing minimum, median, and maximum time, number of cases, and average time spent in each process step. This view shows how amounts are distributed by month and day of the week, helping identify activity peaks and connect operations, finance, and procurement insights. And for any variant of interest, the variant drill down shows its full financial and operational footprint, invoice volume, vendors involved, and the product groups driving that specific path through the process. This view identifies retrospective purchase orders, where goods were received, invoices recorded, or payments made before a purchase order existed. Automation readiness helps identify systematic activities, process areas that need adjustment, and activities that could potentially be automated, using real operational data instead of assumptions. This is a small example of what the Data Solutions Process Mining and Business Intelligence platform can do for your organization: visibility, data-driven decisions, and continuous improvement.